So they said they produce about 12 trucks every day, 12 trucks of rice. Yeah, this is massive.
Nigeria is one very blessed country. You must have heard that about 2 million times since you were born. I don't know what's stopping us from moving forward. Anyways, this is not the time to discuss politics. I went all the way to Kano State to bring you this great news. The least you could do to assist me, to support me, is hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a rice mill in Kano State here in Nigeria. I think it's one of the biggest rice mills. If it's not, prove me wrong in the comment section down below. So in Lagos, I got this rice that is very white after cooking and very sweet, even with a little amount of salt. And I thought, I already believed it was imported rice, not until I saw this very massive factory or rice mill. Please watch. This is what we call paddy rice. This is the rice you harvest from the rice farm. Let me show you what it looks like. I didn't vlog the entire process because there were lots of machines. I couldn't even count. Now let's go to this phase. This is the part I like the most. This is where the stones are removed from the paddy. I can vouch for this rice mill, this company, that you won't find a grain of stone in the rice. Like, look at the process. Don't worry, I'll show you. Just keep watching. You're wondering what is happening here, right? I'll tell you. They parboil the paddy rice for about 9 hours, and then they change the water for like 4 to 5 times. That's exactly what is going on here. So after parboiling, the paddy rice moves to the drying machine. This is what the drying machine looks like. Can you see it?
So they said they produce about 12 trucks every day, 12 trucks of rice. Yeah, this is massive.
I couldn't go up the stairs because, man, I was scared. So I really don't know what's happening upstairs. Just look at these pictures. Feed your eyes, okay? It's not clean, right? Not to worry. We got you. Watch out.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Then the next thing. Oh, I see. Better than before. Now look at the steam rice sometimes. Nice, nice. Wow. Very white. Oh. Lots of effort and learning. White rice at the end. Pure white. I see different now. Wow. Wow. Reject. Oh, and this is what we need now. This is what now. Wow.
It is a very good rice.
Yeah, it is.
When you cook it, it will turn to white.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
It's
But
only
you
the
know,
man.
sometimes this rice that we see, we have a mixture of this.
Exactly.
Normal rice.
No. This one must remove it out.
Yes.
Yeah.
What attracted you to the rice?
This one also is broken, huh? This is broken. Yeah, it's a broken rice also. If there is any broken on it, the machine will take it out.
Okay.
Unless the lens is full, then it
Yes.
will take it in. But whenever the lens is short,
You will
it
take
will
it
take it
out.
out.
Okay.
This is, we call it broken, and
Broken.
this one people are buying also.
Yes.
People are buying,
them.
yeah.
Nothing is waste.
Exactly.
Nothing.
This is the way we are doing fried rice.
If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button down below, don't forget to subscribe, share this video as well to your friends, your family, your loved ones. Thank you so very much for watching. This brings me to the question I've been meaning to ask here. Is this rice mill the biggest in Nigeria? Is it the biggest in Kano? I would like to know. Please leave a comment down below. Kano residents, please come through, come and tell us, is this the biggest rice mill in your state? And yes, I want to also add that this rice is tested and trusted. This is not sponsored, so if you see it in the market, please grab a bag. Okay, and until my next video, bye.